Friends, if you're in Canada as a PR or you're a new Canadian citizen, then don't forget to download this app Keno, which is on the screen. It's available both on Android and Apple. And once you have downloaded, you'll have to either give me your PR card as proof of your PR or your citizenship certificate, which is mandatory. So you can go and do that with confidence. I did that. And once you do that, on your Keno app, you will get a lot of discount to visit museums. Most of the museums are free. Events are either free or you get a discount. The most interesting thing what I found was the VRA discount of 50%. Now, if you use this app, you might struggle, and I will show you how quickly you can get to the discount part without making any mistake or without getting frustrated like how I was. Okay. So I will tell you there are two parts. One is to download this app, and in this app you will get the detail. And then the next part I will show on my laptop on how to go on VRL website and create your profile, have everything ready. And that's going to make everything seamless, fast for you. And you will be confident that you're getting the discount, what you're asking for. Okay. So let's go to the screen. Once you open the Keno app, you have this option. So home, explore, check-in, favorite. So if you come to the explore, you have this option to go to places, event, volunteering, deal. So you can go and check at your own pace. We are on the deal. And in deal, you see here, VRL 50% discount. The other way to look at this VRL is to go to the search and you can enter VRL. You'll get the same thing. So let me click here. You see, there's a 50% discount at VRL and the validity is given. Hope it continues in future, and there is a special instruction, once in a lifetime offer for discounted travel for one adult and up to 4 children. So with one app, one adult can go and 4 children additionally can go with this. So one adult and 4 children. If the other person has another app, through that, one person and up to 4 children. So that's the special instruction. Once you come down, right, you see, first use the discount code ICC12. I'll show you. And once you come down further, you have this coupon code. So you see here, one adult and 4 children, and each one of them have this unique coupon code, which is 9-digit. So once you click on copy, this 9-digit will get copied, and wherever that field is, where you have to enter the coupon, you will be able to go and do that instantly. Now, this Keno app wants you to go through the get this deal here. Okay. Now, if you go through this, right, let me also tell you a few instructions. You have to go to plan your trip, which comes to the VRL website. And here, through Keno app, you will only get two options, one way or return. Now, in my case, I'm doing a multi-city travel and I'm getting 50% discount on multi-city travel. So whatever your choice is, one way, both ways, or multi-city, the better thing is to come to the VRL website, and we will go to the website now, and I'll show you one by one how you can expedite and make no mistake. Sometimes through mobile, right, it becomes a daunting task. Now, once you come to the VRL website, this is the VRL website. Don't go anywhere else. Okay, this is the website. And here you have the profile. The first thing is to create profile. Once you click on create profile, basic detail, your name, your email ID, those things are asked. You can go and create that. Mine is already created, so I will log in. Once my credential is given, okay, and I come to this page. You see here, it's already created. So I'm on this page. First thing to do is to go to edit your profile. Here, all your family members' detail, populate and apply the code what is given in the Keno app. So what will happen is, if you're able to do this online by yourself, well and good. If you're not, you can call up the VRAL helpline, okay? And over the phone, you can get your ticket booked. Now, I did it over phone through internet. I was finding it difficult. It was not going through. I wrote to Kenu. There was a lot of back and forth happening. And then I went to VRAL to get this booked. So first thing, go and edit your profile once you click here. So in the profile setting, this part is already there once you created your profile. Contact information, you can go and update your contact information. And then let me come down. So I have already booked my trip. I can go and check this, which I'll show you toward the end. As I said, it's multi-city. And then the passenger preference. So all our names have been entered here. And that's why you see this 3 edit. Now you can delete passenger if required. And to add, once you click here, add passenger, here write your first name, last name, passenger type, adult, senior, youth or child, that gets entered. Email is not mandatory. It's good to have. Via preference, I left it blank. Promotion and discount. So once you come here, rail pass or discount card, here you enter the 9-digit serial number. That's the coupon code. You enter your coupon code here. If you have your partner, once you have added your name and you go and save, this travel preference is optional. So I left it. So once you save this, your profile will be updated with the coupon code. Okay. So you do repeat this for your partner if you have child. For that, in my case, I have a toddler who is less than 2 years old. So the serial number is actually not required, but I have to mention the detail that along with us, there is one child also traveling. There is no fee for child less than 2 years. So once this is created, right? Let me go up. You see here, new search, click here. And here you have option round trip, one way, multi-city. Now this multi-city you don't have in the app. You only have these two options. And frankly speaking, I did not enjoy using the Kenu app. It was too cumbersome. This is more user friendly. So once you enter your leaving city, where you're going and those details, okay, I'll do for multi-city because those other two are easier. So say I'm leaving from Toronto, I select Union Station and I'm going to Montreal. Okay. And you have to select the date, and leave it at any time. Then you come to Montreal. Okay. Going to Quebec City. So that's entered. Anytime. And then leaving Quebec City and coming to Toronto. So this Quebec to Toronto, right? There's no direct train. You have to change over at Montreal. So you select the date when it is required and do any time. If it is one way, you just enter one detail. If it is both way, you enter the leaving from and going and update both the date. That's it. Okay. So once you come down here in the passenger, you update your passenger detail. I'm updating mine. And you see below you get the discount code. So that discount code, what you have entered, will be visible to you here. So once you click search, so in the see here, all the train which is departing from Toronto to Montreal is listed here. You can select your preferred train, look at the departure time, arrival time, and then you go and choose the category what you want. Now through Kenu app, you don't have option for economy, escape, fare. If you're not using app, you still could, provided it's available. Right now it's all sold out. The first level of travel is economy for Kenu app, 50% discount. Once you select economy, okay, and continue. Then Montreal to Quebec option is getting shown. Say I'm choosing one of these options. Here economy escape fare, this won't work. So select economy. Okay. So you see how much the difference is between economy and economy fare. So once you continue, come to this option and say selected this one, which is Quebec to Ottawa, and then Ottawa to Toronto Union Station. Here economy selected, and then continue. Right now this discount has not been applied. Okay, you might have this situation, so you know what the total amount is. Okay, 854. This is the usual amount for a full ticket. Now what you can do is you can go to Via Rail help desk. You can see the number on the screen. So this is the helpline for Via Rail. You can call this number and it will connect you to the customer care who can handle your ticket booking. So call them up, give your route detail. Okay, now that you have, you will not go wrong. And once you share your profile detail, okay, that's your email ID and phone number, that person would already have all the detail what is required. So you don't have to repeat your name, your spouse's name, children name. He or she will go and just copy and paste what that information is to book your ticket. And they will also get access to the code what you have filled in your profile. So that has been updated, and you check if everything is okay and you confirm, then you will have to do the payment through credit card over phone. Now on phone, you enter the key through your touchpad. So you enter the number and the other person won't know what that is. Once that is done and all credit card information has been updated, you will get a confirmation of your ticket on your email. So that's the process, and that's the fastest way to do. Now let me show you. So you can see the fare what I have paid for this entire trip, which is a discounted price, then the full ticket. So it is as simple as that. You don't have to go and worry about anything hereafter. So friends, you saw how simple this is. I hope you like the video. Do share and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.